Hey, it's Mike. Today I want to talk about Nano-X imaging because it was up almost 10% yesterday, up to 48.80. Trades on the Nasdaq under symbol NNOX, as you can see, had this late day surge and finished at the high of the day. So this is a really positive sign, especially for a stock that's been on kind of a roller coaster ride. It had this build up to its live demo. After the live demo, the stock did sell off. This was a classic, buy the rumor, sell the news, or buy the rumor up to an event and then sell right before the event rolls out. However, it looks like it's beginning to work its way back up again. And I think this is sort of a natural pattern that you see after buy the rumor, sell the news is when you have the sell the news, the selling is usually an overreaction. So it's definitely oversold at this point. I do not think it will get right back up to that $60 level. However, I do think it'll probably go halfway between where it ended up, 60 and 45. That's about a move about 7 handles up. So probably about the 52 and a half to the 53 level. I definitely think there's a possibility that we get another 10% move upward in Nano Dimensions before the end of the year, and maybe it consolidates there for a little while. It might even move a little lower because I do think in January we may see a correction or a sell-off in the market. And that's mainly because you're going to have a lot of people who are going to be selling their stocks, taking profits in early January so they don't have to pay capital gains tax for another 16 months. We may experience that. But however, for a short-term play, I still think that Nano Dimensions may have another 10% to move before now and the end of the year. So definitely keep Nano-X imaging on your radar. And also, if you just want to hold it for a long-term play, I do think their X-ray devices are going to be a hit, and it's going to propel this stock even higher. And it has a low market cap of $2.2 billion. So it has a lot of upside to go. I am not in the camp of some people who say that their product is a fraud or anything like that, because they already had their live demonstration, and their live demonstration was literally at a radiology convention. If you're going to pull off a fraud, you're not going to pull off a fraud on an X-ray machine in front of a bunch of radiologists. That's not you'll pull off a fraud in a bunch of investors who don't know better, but not in front of people who work in front of those machines for a living. So I definitely believe in Nano-X imaging as a great long-term play. On the short term, like I said, I think there's another 10% upside. You may see some selling in January, but I would see any selling in January as an opportunity to buy the dip and hold this long term. So again, Nano-X imaging trades on the Nasdaq and the symbol NNOX. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.